So, what are your feelings about the birds?
There's very many of them.
I think they're very pretty, but I like it when they are away.
I like the, what color are the brown and orange ones? They're
Yeah,
cool.
those are pretty.
I don't know what they are though.
I think they're geese or something.
They look
But
kind of chill.
they're really
just
cool.
They look kind of lost. I think that's why I like them.
It's
Because
just a
it's
little-
me in a bird form.
It's a little.
Hey, MCat, should you go feed the birds somewhere else? Go feed them somewhere else. Like farther, closer to the water.